Welcome everyone, this is Irvin here, team with Irvin. Today is February 19, 2020, making today a Wednesday. Today we're gonna be analyzing the week of February 17 to the 21st, 2020. Remember, this analysis that we are doing today is based on what we already had done on Sunday for the whole week of February 17th to 21st. So today is when you had the opportunity to comment below and ask questions and so on. So if we need to go offline and analyze any of your peers that you are currently trading right now, I'm more than welcome to do that. So my job is to help you out, understand how the triple arrow works, and hopefully you join us. If you do, I will be giving you $25 cash back. All right, so let's get to our chart and see what are we expecting to see on this coming week. Remember, today is February 19, 2020, and we are here to collect hundreds and what? I didn't hear that. And hundreds of pips, guys. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds and hundreds of pips, guys. So we're gonna start with our USD chart. Look at what this pair is doing. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. This is freaking amazing. We're gonna start rolling. Look at what I told you guys. I told you the market was not fully ready yet to do a drop. I said the market's still gonna give us few more candles before the market drop, but the market gave us some extra pips so far, but the analysis is still right. So I said the market was gonna give us a few more pips. It went up, and then the market is gonna drop. So we are expecting to see, hopefully by the closing of this week, we're gonna see the small pullback. But what is the overall trend here, guys? I always say the same thing here. Look at what the triple arrow is doing. Look at it. This is so simple, guys. Look at here, big arrow, small arrow, and yellow arrow. When the big arrow, yellow, and small arrow, and the big arrow, small arrow, and the yellow arrow showed up, market takes off. Look at how simple it is. There's no magic here. Like I always say, guys, now my daughter's 6 years old. She knows how to read this. She knows how to read this since she was 5 years old. If a kindergarten know how to do this, guys, trust me, anyone else could do it too. All right, so it's dang simple. And guys, please drop your question below. We are live here, so others can learn as well. And so far we have question from Rich. We're gonna give a shout out to Rich Wealthy. He always showed up into our live session, and Jay Flores too is killing the market. I see a lot of amazing progress on him as well. So everyone is doing well. Remember, this is straightforward, guys. There's no magic here. If a kindergarten is doing it, why can't you? It's that simple. All right, so let's see if you guys have any question already. Rich Wealthy says USD JPY and GBP USD. Yes, sir. We're gonna get to those two pairs, and hopefully that will make sense. Remember that on the GBP USD, I made a separate video on last Sunday, which it was called the pre-week, which I put a video on Euro USD, GBP USD, and AUD USD. Those videos were separately, and hopefully you get to review those, and then hopefully they make sense to you. If not, we're gonna go over today. Okay, all right, so let's see. And say, is that an indicator? What are you talking about? Which one? All right, so Rich says there's hundreds and hundreds of pips. There you go. We're here to collect hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips. All right, so welcome to Vicky. We got a brand new person here in our chat room, so we're gonna give a shout out to this particular lady, and hopefully you will love how we trade here. So remember, everyone are welcome to comment below. So is anyone on AUD CHF? Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said the market was gonna reverse, giving us a more bearish pullback, and that's exactly what the market did. And then I said the market was gonna continue up. But the question is, why did I say that, guys? Who is in charge? Remember, we are here showing you how to use the triple arrow system. Look at what the triple arrow system is doing here. Who is here? triple arrow is in charge. Big arrow, small arrow, and yellow arrow is pointing where? It's pointing north. That means the market is bullish. So yes, my analysis was on doing a tiny pullback, but remember, it's not that tiny. You can make tons of money out of it. It's just matter of knowing how to use this, but this is straightforward, guys. All right, let me read some of your questions and see if I can answer it. So we got, let's see what Vicky says. Do you develop this indicator, Irvin? No, I'm one of the coach in our triple arrow system, but our CEO is called Pat Murphy. So it's completely different, but we are here a team of professional traders teaching you how to use the triple arrow system. But remember one thing, we are not any financial advisor for any of you guys. You can do whatever you want with the data that I'm here providing you. Okay, so, and one thing, never trade with any money that you cannot afford losing it. Okay, that's one thing that everybody should be aware. And guys, please respect the time frames, guys. Always stick to the largest time frame. If you do that, your life will be easier. Remember, if you do what is hard today, your life will be easier tomorrow. But don't do shortcut, because that's when you get hit. And a big business start with a small idea, guys. Create whatever plans you have for 2020. Learn some unique skills. This is very unique, that trading, but you have to know how to use it. Okay. All right. So let's move forward, and let's see if any other question is here. All right. Let's see what Kim Otto said. Do we go from lower time frame to, no, Kim. You don't do that, Kim Otto. You never, ever go from lower time frame to the higher time frame. You always start with the larger time frame to the lower time frame. For instance, let's say you have a child. Can your child tell you what to do? Of course not. You will tell them what to do. Remember, you are the larger time frame. Treat the market just like that. You can start with 4 hours, daily, weekly, and monthly, and then you can move to any of your lower time frame as your entry. Hopefully that makes sense. All right. So if that did make sense, give me a 1. All right. Let's see if anyone else has a question. Jay says, Irvin was the first trader to. Oh, there you go. Look at what Jay said. Jay said I was the very second person in this family, guys. Since then, I'm still a student, and now I'm here teaching. Look at what I told you guys on Euro USD versus on Euro versus New Zealand dollars. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said the market was gonna do what? First of all, look at what time frame I'm using here, guys. And then I said the market was gonna give us a continuation of the trend. Then the market was gonna do a small pullback, and then the market was gonna take off. So far, it's doing what I told you on Sunday. It's not hard, guys. This is freaking straightforward. You look at Jay Flores killing the market. I read a lot of text, guys. The only thing is I try not to come and match, but I'm paying attention in there. I see what you guys doing, and I want to congratulate everyone. I'm very, very excited to see that a lot of you are making changes in your life. All right. All right, so hopefully this one makes sense to you. The analysis was awesome. So far we have how many trades so far? We have analyzed 3 different pairs, and those 3 are working enormously. Awesome. All right, so let's go to a next one. Let's see if any other question here. Kim Otto says, do I need to see the triple arrow on 4 hours first and then move to the lower time frame? It's kind of complicated, Ken. How can I phrase it? Yes, but you need more verification. So, in my opinion, triple arrow has to be there in order for you to make any decision or to enter on any lower time frame. And hopefully I will show you one in real time. All right, so if you're new here, so come back on Sunday and check all my videos that I create. I should have plenty amazing videos that it can help you out. But all right, let's go back to GBP Canadian, guys. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. What did I say? I said the market was gonna drop. Why? I said the market was bearish. What do you think it was bearish, guys? What do you think? Look, who's in charge here? Triple arrow. When the triple arrow shows up, look at that. Market drop. That's it. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said the market was gonna drop. Look at what it did. I'm not making this up, guys. You can go back to my old video, put it side by side. Check it out. Anyway, I had no reason to make anything up. If the market work in our favor, fine. If not, there's nothing we can do. Remember, we're just traders, guys. But we are here with an educated opinion instead of just coming basically ignorant and taking any trade just because we think it's right. Just because you think, oh yeah, the market's gonna do what I think it's gonna do now. Triple arrow is the best system in the world. I keep saying that. Up to now, it's a proven system, guys. All right, so let's go to AUD Canadian dollar. What are you guys were doing on this particular pair? Pay attention what I told you guys on Sunday. Again, what time frame am I using here? Let me highlight it again. 4 hours. I love to use 4 hours and triple arrow. All right. My apologies, that's correct. No problem. I don't know what it was. All right, so let's see what Kid Auto is saying. Did I need to? Okay, I already answered that question. So, did I supposed to be in a buy on EUE? Did I train that one? Did I give you that one already? I haven't given you that. All right, Sarah has a question. She want me to analyze gold. We are coming to that one. Gold is acting up weird. It's weird. And but I mean, it is what it is. All right, let's go here. Let's check what Australian dollars versus our Canadian dollar is doing. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said the market was gonna drop and then it was gonna do a small correction, but no. Market dropped more than what I told you was gonna drop. Remember, you're here to make pips. If always, guys, please, always pull your trailing stop. As soon as you start securing profit, move your trailing stop. Secure something, but don't let the system to kill you. Because some of you love to be on profit, but you guys don't like to take any profit. And all suddenly the market reverses back and takes everything away from you guys. That's not what we're here for. We're here to collect hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips. But we need to make sure we are collecting it properly. Don't just let it, don't put in, please pull trailing stop, period. And that will help you out. All right, hopefully that makes sense. All right, what other question do you guys have? Let me read the chart room. Let me see what GBP NCD is doing. All right, so chat said the video teaching news. There you go. That one will help you out. Chat is ready to give you the title of the video. Please pay attention to that one. That one will help you a lot. Welcome, bro. We are here to help. There you go. There you go. Thank you for helping. Vicky said, how many points do you use on the trailing stop? Good question, Vicky. I usually use anything from 20 to 80 pips. Remember, the system comes converted as a point. So all you gotta do is add up an extra zero on it, and that will convert to 2 pips. So if you want 80 pips, it equal to 800 points. If you want 40 pips, equal to 400 points. Hopefully that did make sense to you. All right, Elliott says in the AUD Canadian, what? Let me remove my drawing pen. It's on the way here. AUD Canadian, what do you use to trigger the trade down? Did I have it here? AUD Canadian, AUD Canadian. Oh, I just did that one. Okay, let me go back in here. Let's see what he was talking about. Well, you were on this one as a sell or buy? Look at here. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. Elliott, look at what I told you on Sunday. I said the market was not ready yet to be a bearish. I think the triple arrow was here, if I'm not mistaken. But remember, in our triple arrow, the only arrow that repaints is only the big arrow, the white arrow. That's it. But I'm pretty sure the white arrow, let me see if I can put it here. I'm pretty sure the white arrow was in this area here. And we had the triple arrow. So that yes, the market went down, then the market dropped. But remember, like I always said, guys, you need to know what is the real market trend doing. What do you think it's doing in this particular pair? I think what's his name? Chad Kurz. I think he's pretty good on this one already. So Elliott, what do you think is the master trend doing in here, Elliott? I mean, the market is bearish. That's why the market is behaving exactly what it's doing. Remember, I always tell you guys, when you are going to be trading triple arrow going against the master trend, you need to learn how to grab 20 to 40 pip and beat out. Otherwise, the market is going to whoop you, because you're not going in the direction that you're supposed to. All right? Hopefully that did make sense. All right, let's go to our Swiss francs versus our Japanese yen. Perfect setup. Look at who is in charge. When analyzed this market on Sunday, the market was not, triple arrow was not there. But look at what I told you. Look at what I told you on Sunday. I said the market was gonna give us a small retracement, and then what? And then the market was gonna pull back, and then what? And then the market was gonna drop. We here live now. This is over. We here live. What are you seeing here? Look at here. Brand new triple arrow. Going where? Going against the master trend. So, look at what it's doing. What do you think it's going to do from that point on? From there, in my opinion, now the market is going to do a small pullback, retesting our 50 to our 38 Fibonacci line, and then it's going to do a small correction, and then it's going to drop. What do you think it's going to do? Does that make sense or not? All right. Let's see what Vicky said. The trend is your friend. There you go. Remember, there's a quote that always says, your trend is your friend until the trend bent. But it's okay. The trend can bend against you, but you need to know that when the market is, you need to know when the master trend is against you. And you need to, that's when you need to learn how to grab between 20 to max 40 pip and get out. But in my opinion, always, guys, always trade with the trend. Always stick to the trend. But this is what you guys are doing. For instance, right? Let's say the market was dropping here. A lot of you guys are buying. Instead of selling down, people are buying up. I just don't get it, guys. I really don't get it. Why most of you guys are going against. Remember, I'm the IT support for triple arrow system. Anything that you have wrong in your chart, I'm here to help. So just in case you did forgot, so I'm here and I'm your IT person as well. All right, let's go to the next pair. Look at what I told you guys on our New Zealand dollar versus our USD. Look at this, guys. This is amazing. How many pair have we analyzed so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 damn pair, guys. Everything is working on our favor. Look at this. Triple arrow don't lie. Remember that I did an analysis last year, and I was trading with you guys for the last 6 months of the year. In 6 months, we lost 4 trades. Damn, that was freaking amazing, guys. That was amazing. Look at Samir says it's 1600, but it will hit 1680. On which one? All right, so Vicky says sometimes the trend is my enemy. So just make sure you stay with the trend. remember that enemy may be a pullback. You need to learn when you need to do the pullback. All right. King Auto say, hope to see you there. I'm not sure what you're talking about. Let's see what Elliott is typing and say, do you establish the master trend and the day chart has the triple arrow down on 4 hour? Oh, okay, that's Elliott. That's a good question. Well, the other way to explain it, to be honest, more easier, is I use 4 hours, I use daily, I use weekly, and I use monthly. Remember, I think there was another trader that asked me if he loved to use the lower time frame. Please don't do that. Always analyze your biggest. I call this my bosses. This is my senior traders here, from 4 hours to a month. Whatever they tell me the market is doing, then obviously the lower time frame here will follow what the larger time frame are doing. Hopefully that makes sense. If not, we can wrestle in a private conversation. All right. Auto, I don't want to give you all the urban rule, and I'm sorry. Yeah, let's keep it short, guys. Chat, I appreciate that. So let's keep it simple, okay? So if you want to learn, you need to watch the video, guys. There's some videos in there, but trust me, we're not gonna get to teach you everything in less than 1 hour. My job is to show you what I did on Sunday, and hopefully everything makes sense. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday on our GBP versus our Japanese yen. What did I say? Look, first of all, look at it. Look who's in charge. Triple arrow is doing what? God damn it, I keep grabbing the wrong tool. Look at what triple arrow is doing, a bullish market. Did the market went bullish? Absolutely. Boom, boom. Look at that. Beautiful. From this area here, what did I say? I said the market was going to drop and retest our 50 to our 38 Fibonacci line. Yes, market did exactly that. I could have said, yeah, from that point on, the market is going to go bullish. But no, I want you to come on Wednesday, analyze the market with me live, and then you determine. This is the only way that you guys can learn this stuff, by you coming here. But what is my overall for the rest of the week? In my opinion, we need more data. We need probably 1, 2, or 3 more candles, then the market is gonna drop. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, let's see what you work hard to where you are, Urban. All right, thank you, Chad. Appreciate it. Let's see what Benji. Oh, you got my son's name. Benji say, hi, Irvin. I'm new to the Forex family and I'm a little bit confused on which arrow means. All right, no problem. Such as the big arrow versus the yellow arrow. We got plenty of video, Benji. So please watch the walk-on videos that we have on our website. And it's pretty straightforward. Look at here. We got the big arrow. If you are getting confused, by default, we usually tell you to put the big arrow green and red. I have found that it's easier for me to analyze the market when I put the big arrow in white. So, and then keep the green arrows at default and the yellow arrow to be yellow. Look at here. Triple arrow shows up in this area. White arrow, small arrow, and yellow arrow. It's that simple. That's simple. Remember, guys, my daughter is only 6 years old. She knows how to do this stuff, guys. Damn, man. I'm telling you, man, this is not hard. This is not rocket science. A lot of you saying Irving, but you make it like seems like so simple. I mean, what is so hard of it? Keep this game simple. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday on USD JPY. The previous week did work on our side, but this week didn't. This week it went against us. It's fine. How many pairs have we analyzed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Out of 10 pairs, we had the first one that it went against us. Sure. What is my opinion? What is the market gonna do for the rest of the week? Well, from this area here, I still need more data. Maybe 1-3 more candle. Then what do you think it's gonna do? The market is gonna drop. But we still more data. I mean, it's not fully there yet. But it went against us. Fortunately, that's what it is. All right. So let's see what Kent says. The big arrow indicates turning point and a smaller arrow are the confirmation. There you go. But remember that big arrow is only the arrow that repents. But that's a good explanation, Ken. Appreciate that. So you get it. And that was meant to Benji. Hopefully Benji can get it. All right, let's see what chat say. My pronunciation was messed up. So Benji says, thank you, Irvin. No problem. Thank Mr. Otto as well. He did great explaining it. Then we got Vicky here saying, if you buy the system, it's the monthly payment. It's just one-time payment. Vicky, this is a one-time payment. It's $2.99, and you get a lifetime. So we are working behind scenes to make our triple arrow better, stronger, and more accurate. So, and it's still in a develop stage. So hopefully you do like it. All right. And we also have some signal in our program. So it's plenty amazing stuff on it. But I mean, you can start with the triple arrow, and then as you learn, you know, like Benji is new, so he's kind of confused, but we do have the video. So all you got to do is go back to the system, pay attention to the videos, and that's it. I mean, it's not hard. You're seeing it, Vicky. This is not hard. All right. Hopefully that explained it well. If not, I'm going to leave the link below if you want to take a look at it. You don't have to buy it. I'm not here to make any pitch, so I really don't care. I want you to pay attention how this thing works. All right. Look at what I told you guys on gold. Another losing trade. Out of 11 trade, we got 2 that went against us. That's fine. I mean, it is what it is. In my opinion, if I don't remember, but I think the big arrow was here, right? So that's what I always say, guys. When you guys gonna trade, always put your trailing stop. I don't care what you're doing on any trade that you take. Either if you're trading with a different system, always like profit, guys. Always. If the market reverse like what they here, then at least the market will stop you out and profit. But look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said the market was gonna retrace. It was gonna drop, but no, the market went against us. I mean, 2 trades out of 9, it's not bad. It's not bad, but the market went against us. What is my prediction for the rest of the week? I don't see anything yet. The market is gonna do it. It's gonna drop down. Market's still bullish. What do you think? You think still bullish? I don't see no indication yet the market's gonna drop, guys. Usually pay attention to the 4 hours and daily time frame, guys. That's when usually the market drop. All right. Secure your profits, the key. There you go. All right. Peter say, hey, Irvin, I'm also new to the family. Do you have any scenario where there's a triple arrow and all indicator meet expectation, but I wouldn't advise to take the trade? Peter, the way how I trade is I use larger time frame. So I don't know if you just joined, but I explained it earlier. So always do your analysis on 4 hours. You can always check the daily. You can check the weekly. And I love to use the monthly, to be honest. That's my area. Whatever the 4 hours daily and weekly is doing, you can just enter on any of the lower time frame. You can use 1 hour as your entry, but only to entry. You don't got no business to be checking if the triple arrow is there or not, because whatever the 4 hours to the weekly with the daily and weekly is doing, guarantee the triple arrow is gonna be on 1 hour on your lower time frame. All right, so we got Rhonda. He got stop out on gold. All right, I mean, you're seeing it. It went against us. I mean, remember, guys, I'm here to analyze the market and give you a auction how the triple arrow works, but I don't do signals. And I just, someone sent me a message today and saying, Irvin, I make 4,000 out of the market based on the signal that you sent on Sunday. And I correct him. I said, no, sir, I didn't give you any signal. I'm glad you made money out of it, but my stuff is not signal. You can do whatever you want with my stuff, but they're not signal. All right. So we do have a signal program, but hey, it is what it is. All right. Let's go to the. Okay, so far this was the full analysis that I did for you guys on Sunday, and then I give you a pre-week analysis on the AUD USD, GBP USD, and Euro USD. So we're gonna go to those three in here, and hopefully they did make sense as well. All right, let's see what Kumar is saying. Kumar says, can you show how to set your stop loss and take profit on 4 hours? All right, your stop loss. Well, you know how? Do you know how to do the trailing stop or not? Because I think that would be bad. All you gotta do is right click on it, go where it says trading, and then it's gonna give you the option of do your trailing stop. Remember, it comes into points. So if you want 40 pips, it's gonna give you a 40. So all you gotta do is add an extra 0 to it, and that will convert it to 40 pips, because you have to convert points to pips. All right, it's always add an extra 0 on it. All right, let's go to Australian dollar versus our US dollar. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said the market was, first of all, can you see the triple arrow? Look at here. Where is the triple arrow going? What do you think is triple arrow was doing there, guys? You think there was let me ask you in a different way. Do you think the triple arrow was doing a pullback, or do you think the market was still bearish? And this is what I always tell you guys. When it's like Vicky said earlier, sometimes your trend is your friend until it bent. This is a perfect scenario, guys. We knew the market was bearish. Triple arrow came in and showed us a bullish market going against our master trend. So that's when you need to learn to grab your 30, 20 to max 40 pip and get out, because it's like Commander said, it's a pullback. That's exactly what the market is doing. But look at what I told you guys on Sunday. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said the market was going to drop, right? And then from that point on, the market was going to do a small correction. Nope. Market dropped more than what I told you. So, I mean, it pay you more. You're here to make more pips. So far, we have lost 2 trades out of all the analysis that I did on Sunday. You should feel great. I feel proud of it. Teaching you, because triple arrow is, I mean, 2 out of 13 different trades, not a bad deal. All right, let's see what Jay say. Jay said, I start super easy, 3 months, and it changed my trading 100%. There you go. Jay Flores, to be honest, Jay is he's an amazing trader. He just started 3 months ago, and I'm seeing all his results that he put in on our chat room, and it makes me happy to see, you know, that a lot of you guys are changing your life one way or another. Remember, the only person that can make difference in your life is only you. Don't expect any of your family member to tell you, but there will be some people that are gonna try to put you down. When you're trying to find success, they're gonna try to put you down. So always follow what your dream of your heart is telling you. If you want to go forward, go forward. Do what is hard today so your life could be easier tomorrow. All right? So hopefully, and remember, like I always say, guys, discipline will make you very dangerous in this business. That's it. On anything that you do in life, by being disciplined will make you very dangerous. All right. All right, let me read some of your questions so I can keep helping others. All right, we got Mike here. Mike Caden said, a great video is a triple arrow for beginner that Irvin posted. Listen and learn. There you go. See, another trader confirming that our triple arrow is a killer. If you guys, do me a favor, if you have not subscribed to our channel, all you gotta do is one thing, guys, and make sure you comment below and tell us. Just comment below. Let us know if you have any question. All right, let's go. And we are Commodore said hundreds of people every week. There you go. All right, let's go to our next pair, guys. Let's go to GBP USD. What are you guys were doing on this particular pair, guys? Were you doing a bullish or bearish? GBP USD. Let me delete all my drawing that I did on the previous one so you will not get confused. Look at that. Triple arrow remained the same. Gosh, this is so dang good, guys. Look at this. Another perfect sample, guys. The overall trend here is bearish, right? Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said the market was going to do a pullback going against the master trend. Can you just see this? Look, the triple arrow is already highlighted from the previous one. Yes, the market went up as a pullback. Then I said the market was going to drop. And then it was going to do a correction. Nope, market dropped more. Why? And a lot of people are saying, oh my God, but the triple arrow is telling you the market is bullish. Don't get fooled, guys. Don't trust the 4 hours alone. You always have to use all the larger time frame so you can understand what is the overall trend. But a lot of you guys, just because you see triple arrow in 4 hours, you're gonna go bullish and stay there for the entire week. Don't do that. Don't do that. Stick to the rules. I don't know if you have rules. Remember, we are 4 different coaches here. Find your niche. Find whoever works best for you. Look at here. Look at how I trade here, nice and clean. I don't use any other indicator. I will confuse you guys, and now trust me, you will hate this class. But so far, you guys doing great. All right. Hopefully this makes sense, guys. Because to be honest, this one here is a triple arrow pullback. All right. Hopefully that did make sense. All right. Let me see any of your question here. Stacy says, "I'm ready for dangerous. I'm a newbie." There you go. Welcome, Stacy. Welcome to all the newbies. Remember, we do live session, guys. We trace live on Tuesday at 9 a.m. On Wednesday as well. And then we have our signal provider with our Jenny, one of our coaches as well, that she teach Wednesday to Thursday as well. And then we have our Ichimoku guy, which is Mr. Elvis, that he also sends signals as well. So I mean, you got plenty of help. And everything is for one damn fee, guys. $2.99. You get plenty of information. All right. So Mike says, "Go investor can scare." Oh, okay, go. It's a freaking beast. Rhonda say USD has news today. USD. There you go. USD JPY. Watch. Hopefully it will drop now. Make no sense, but it went against us today, so I don't care. Alright, so Peter says, "I'm trading the 4 hours chart, then do you have to confirm it with the daily and weekly?" Yes, Peter, that is my advice to you. Stick to that. I like what you just said right there. 4 hours daily and weekly. Weekly, you could do it, but mostly daily can help you out. And then you can move to any lower time frame. What I use is 4 hours daily. Sometimes I use weekly, and I move to 1 hour. Hopefully that did make sense. All right, let's go to Euro USD. What did you guys do on Euro USD? Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. Did it work on our favor? Of course not. Look at this. So we got 3 out of 13. How will you feel if you win 3 trades? You win 10 trades and lose 3. Still a beast, guys. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said the market was going to do a small correction. Nope. Market did what they wanted to do. But remember, who was in charge? What is the master trend doing here? Master trend is bearish, guys. It's that simple. Master trend is bearish. So, but I like that. Guys, pay attention what USD, hold on. Let me fix something. Pay attention what this pair is doing, guys. let me show you. Hopefully that I can teach you something new today. Let me change something real quick here. Bear with me. Let me change something on my other screen. Let me move this here. Bear with me. For some reason, this pair is acting up, but I'm gonna give you an awesome area here that you should pay attention. Come on. Bear was in charge. No, Bear's still in charge. Don't get it wrong. Bear's still in charge. And when the bears come in, guys, I mean, remember, it's master trend is bearish. So I mean, it is what it is. So it's not doing like something ordinary out of the box. It's like what BK was saying early. You know, stick to the master trend, and the trend is your friend until the trend bent. But anyway, this particular pair, it has given us, for some reason, let me tell you here, for some reason the name of the pair, it didn't change, but this is the Euro USD. It just got mixed up in there. Let me see if I can fix it. If not, I'm still gonna show you the area that I want to show you. Okay. All right, cool. All right, it didn't change. Whatever. Let me. There you go. Finally. All right. So look at here. This is the Euro USD, right? What time frame is that? 4 hours. Pay attention to this, guy. Look at that. Euro USD time frame 4 hours. Pay attention to this. This is why I forgot the name of that person that asked me about the time frame. I think it was Peter. Yeah, Peter. Pay attention to this. This is what I like to use. I like to use 4 hours and daily, right? But I use them in time and dot. Look at what the super easy SR is doing, the support and resistance. This is the daily, right? The yellow. And this red one here is the 4 hours. This green one here is 4 hours. Now pay attention here. See here, 4 hours is forming. Can you see it? Right there, the dot is there. Then pay attention who else is forming there. You see the yellow dots in there? It's forming. So here I'm getting 2 time frame telling me, what do you think the market is telling us in that area, Peter? What do you think it's doing? It's telling us the market is gonna reverse, but it's not fully ready yet. We need more candles, maybe 2-3 more candles, so we can see a clear picture. But hopefully this will help you out. This is it. It's not hard. See that? 4 hours. 4 hours is in there. Daily is forming. Market is gonna do what from that point on? What do you think it's gonna do? You should know now. Market's gonna take off. Where it's gonna reverse, it's gonna come back and retest our 50 Fibonacci line. Did that make sense? You tell me. All right. All right, guys. So I don't know if you guys have any other question that I can help you out. So for all the newbies that want to join, so I will be giving you $25 cash back if you join us. If not, it's fine. But make sure you find your own way to make money on 2020. All right. So I want to congratulate everyone for coming in, and so I guess I will see you next time. Take care, guys. Oh, I forgot to do one thing, guys. But anyway, I will see you back on Sunday for our weekly analysis. Take care. See ya. Bye-bye.